Paano gamitin si doesn't look likes? Okay, pag i-adjective po, iuumit mo yung isang I, lalagyan mo siya ng ku at put na sa so. Ayan na po yung it doesn't look like sa i-adjective. Sa na-adjective at saka sa noun, ito lang yung ilalagay nyo. Ja nasa so. Or dewa nasa so. Alam niyo naman ginagamit yung dewa sa speech at written. Si ja naman ginagamit mostly saan? Sa everyday conversation. Halimbawa, he doesn't look like serious. Dahil na adjective yung serious, majime. Ayan. Kare wa majime ja nasa so desu. Ganun lang siya, no? This exam doesn't look like difficult. Siyempre, i-adjective yon. Kaya lalagyan mo ng ku, i-omit mo yung isang I. Kono shiken wa muzukashiku nasa so desu. Then ito naman, Mr. Lim doesn't look like a teacher. Parang hindi naman siya teacher. Parang ganun siya. So, Sam-san wa sensei de wa nasa so desu.
Try nga, sensei.
Okay, go Sir Johnny.
Senpai wa okane mochi de wa nasasou desu.
Yun, very good.
Yama wa takako nasa so desu.
That mountain doesn't looks like high mountain or high, no? Ayan yung para kay i-adjective at para kay na and noun. Paano naman kapag kay verb? Somunay na siya. Pero ang katumbas niya pa rin is doesn't look like pa rin. Ang gagawin daw natin, i-omit lang daw natin yung mass form at put sumunay. Prediction that verb probably not happen, kaya nga doesn't look like say. She doesn't looks like go home. Maybe she go to her friend house. Kanojo wa ie ni kairi. Ano mangyari? Inumit ko lang yung mass form eh. Then put sumunay ni. Yan. Kanojo wa ie ni kairi sumunay ni. Yuji no ie ni iku kamoshirenai na. Okay, next. It doesn't looks like to eat that ice cream. Ice cream o tabe sumunai desu ne. The rain doesn't looks like stopping yet. Parang di pa naman hihinto si rain. Ame wa mada yami sumunai desu.